Number 8. Product Review. Blue Sky Trading Plastic House. Clear Party Cups is an excellent product that is sure to elevate your party experience. With over 10 years of experience in the product marketing industry, I can confidently say that these cups are a great addition to any occasion. One of the standout features of these cups is their transparency, thanks to their clear color. This adds a modern and stylish touch to your party decor. Their sleek design seamlessly blends into any theme or setting, making them a versatile choice for various occasions. The special feature of transparency not only enhances the visual appeal, but also provides convenience. Guests can easily identify the contents of their cups without the need for constant checking or opening lids. This saves time and creates a hassle-free experience for everyone. The quality of the Blue Sky Trading Plastic House. Clear Party Cups is exceptional. Made from durable plastic, these cups are sturdy and can withstand the demands.